Welcome back everybody. Right, we just had a bit of lunch and that, and we're going to head back out. It's a nice afternoon and we're going to see if we can find the Broadway Tower. So good luck with that one, I say, because we haven't found the footpath yet. So we're going to keep going up the main high street and see if we can find it. So we'll catch you when we're on the path. Right guys, I think we've found the route, the Cotswold Way, public footpath to the Broadway Tower, 1¼ miles. Right, we're heading across the fields now. Yeah, it's pretty well all uphill, I guess, so we'll see you as and when we get there. Right, we stopped for a breather. Well, it's made me puff and pant a bit again. Oh, haven't too much of these hills lately, but yeah, we're walking up the hill, hopefully towards the tower. Beautiful day now. It's about 21 degrees it says, so yeah, lovely afternoon for a walk. So we'll head a bit further. Right, this walk still keeps going. Yet another gate. Right, we're almost there. Tower circular walk. So we'll head that way. Oh, I can just see it through the distance in the trees. Oh, it's a shame it's got some scaffold round, guys.
any of the cakes vegan? I said, oh, I don't know. He was like, can you just say they are? So yeah. And the guy offered whose time it was where Richard meant to leave his kids last weekend.
Right, there you go everybody, the Broadway Tower. Unfortunately it's been having some scaffold erected upon it today, but from the campsite it's about 2.7 miles. It's took me just a short hour, and good majority of that, I would say about 1.7 miles, has been up the hill. So yeah, it's worth the views when you get up here. Apparently from the top you can see 16 counties of England. I couldn't pick any out myself personally, but that's what they say. So we're going to head to a little quiet spot now and see if we can get the drone up. Looks like there's a bomber crash here at this location on the 2nd of June 1943, 14:15 hours. Crash while on operation training. 5 flight members on board. Right. We've looked at the tower, and this is the main ticket shop and cafe. So we'll wander down here. It's also the car park as well, so there is one motorhome up here I can see. It looks quite spacious. Right, as you can see there's a motorhome just coming out. Right, we're going to head back over and finish the circular walk. As I say, it's £12 to go in the tower, also the nuclear bunker, and there also is a deer park here. Right, we're just on a little circular walk bit now, which takes us through a little bit of woodland, scrubland. I'm really hoping we can get the drone up soon. Right, we're now coming down to what they call the Tower Barn. It's got an espresso bar, some gifts to buy and e-bike hire. No, don't go in there, Sky. Right, so around the back of the tower barn you got a bit of outside dining. That's the express bar.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground?
Right, hope you enjoyed all that footage tonight, guys. We managed to get the drone up. Not too sure what the footage is like till we get it back and have a look. It was a bit naughty for me to do that because it did say drones were banned on the site, so I tried to do it out the way when nobody's watching. So yeah, we had a quick flight, so yeah, so it's all back down the hill now, back into Broadway and back to the motorhome for a well-earned coffee. Right, we'll see you on the way down. Right, we're just coming to the end of the walk nearly now, out of the fields. So we just got to go through the gateway at the end, take a left, and then we're back onto Broadway High Street. So then it's just through the centre of Broadway, and it's about a mile from here back to the motorhome. Right, and we're back on the high street. Right, we're almost back at the motorhome now. Hello. Right, time to get the kettle on.